welcome back to a new video. How are you doing? Hope you're all well. So the Iveco that we bought has excellent service history, and you can see everything that's been done through literally its whole life. But one thing that hasn't been done is the auxiliary belt, and when Liam checked it the other day, it did have some cracks in it, so we want to get that sorted before we actually start doing anything on the van. So we spent the morning ringing around, getting some prices, and there's a few garages that didn't want to do it because it's a big van that people don't want to do it. And then there was other people that couldn't get it in till next week. But the garage that we took the T5 in yesterday, they can do it like today, or at least we can take it in today. They can have a look at it and they should get it done like maybe tomorrow or the next day. And as we've got the two vans at the minute, it's not going to restrict us from not going out and not having a vehicle to drive around while we've still got the T5 at the minute, because that's still up for sale and no one's bought it yet. So we're going to go and get that done. But as we're going to get that done, and because you basically got to pull the whole front off, we're going to have the auxiliary belt done, the cam belt done, and I think the water pump done too. And we might even get a service done to it too, because it's not been done for a year and it's done 15,000 miles. So it's going to be a really expensive job. I think it's going to be something like 700 quid. So yeah, it's going to be expensive. But at least the van will be in tip-top condition and ready to hit the road and actually start building. So want to get the engine sorted out first, get that all in tip-top condition, and then hopefully it'll look after us. So let's go and get this van into the garage. Right, so we're back from taking the van in now, and we've decided we're going to put in for a service as well, but it is a hefty price. It's going to cost £1,100, so it is a lot of money.
A lot of money.
Yeah, we are bleeding money at the minute.
Yeah.
But after it's done, it should be in tip-top condition, and then it shouldn't have any more problems, hopefully, especially engine-wise. He's going to have a good tap around, make sure there's nothing else wrong with the van when he's putting it in for a service. But yeah, it's expensive, and I can't wait to get it back. I just want to drive her around and then work on it. But yeah, we've got to get this sorted out first.
Yeah, exactly. We were saying when we were taking it down there, as long as like it's mechanically sound, obviously then that's what matters. Like we can take. Oh, is your arm hurting? It's payback, isn't it? Remember when you did this to me in the video? Can you see the shake? But I'll make it quick. So when we was going down there, we was on about the fact that like even if we have to take a bit extra money out of the van build, I keep laughing because she's like, oh. Yeah. So if we have to take a bit of money out of the van build to actually like make sure the van is mechanically sound, obviously that's worthwhile, because it's better to have a sound and solid vehicle than a fancy dancy like conversion in the back. So yeah, that's the main thing. But £1,100 is a lot of money. So
Liam's going to sell his left testicle for that one.
Might have to sell my right as well. but yeah, so like that brings the total of the van already up to like 4,400.
Ooh, yeah.
So a lot, but it seems like it's in solid condition. It's had everything else done. It's had like a new gearbox and new clutch and
new
loads
battery. It's been looked
things.
after. We've got the whole service history. Literally
the whole service history, and they must have spent 5 or 6 grand on it.
Are you done yet?
No, I'm not done. What else can I think about?
Right, we're going to edit a video and get on with that, and we'll see you in a bit. Right, so we've decided to take Rocky for a walk. He's getting a bit fidgety because he's been sleeping all day while I've been looking at some bits for the van.
And I've been editing videos.
Yeah, so we've kind of just been sitting in the house, doing those of, oh, don't fall over the lead. Just been doing some bits and bobs. But yeah, so taking him out for a walk. We've got his training lead on, because at the minute we don't trust him off the lead. Yeah. I think he's nearly there, to be honest.
He's getting really much better. Yeah, he's getting much better. Like when I call him back now, or Tab calls him back as well, 9 times out of 10 he comes back. And even when he's like barking at stuff, he still comes back, which is like really good, because obviously that's when his attention's completely gone and he's fixated on whatever he's obviously barking at. So for him to come back is good. I might try him off the lead around the fields today, just because there's no livestock or anything around here, so he should be fine. But we'll kind of see how it goes. I've got him on the like a 15-metre line, so he can run around there and burn off some energy. But yeah, after spending £1,100 earlier, well, we haven't spent it yet, I suppose, but knowing we're going to have to spend £1,100, Tabitha's arm's going dead.
It is going dead.
Your arm's always going dead. Look at these guns.
I'm going to have muscles.
You're going to be like a Popeye.
Yeah, just in one arm though.
Yeah, that's what I mean. You're going to be like Popeye in one arm. But yeah, so after figuring out we have to spend £1,100 on the van, on the new van, that is, earlier. Yeah, it's nice to just get out, go for a walk, and exercise this little monkey.
Yeah, so let's get going before it gets too dark, because the sun has already set.
Yes.
So yeah, we've got a race against time. So let's get going. Right, so we're back from the walk now. I think Rocky's going to be really tired and sleep well tonight because he was running so fast all the way. But he's been so good. Came back, his recall's got really good. And like Liam was saying earlier, I think he's actually better off the lead than when he's on the lead. But yeah, can't fault him. And he's done lots of learning today, and I'm really proud of him. But it is time to cook some dinner and have some tea because we haven't eaten yet. Hopefully we hear back from the van tomorrow that it's ready. I'm not feeling so certain. Liam thinks it might be, but
I think it might be ready tomorrow afternoon.
well, he thinks tomorrow afternoon.
Late afternoon though.
We'll see.
Yeah.
I can't pick it up till tomorrow afternoon anyway because I'm busy in the morning. Yeah. But we're going to end the video here. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.